trip to Japan is always incomplete without taking a trip to the world-class fastest transportation system in Japan, that is Shinkansen. Is a network of high-speed railway system lines in Japan. Initially, it was built to connect distant Japanese regions with Tokyo, the capital city, in order to aid economic growth and development. Shinkansen is the train mostly runs on dedicated tracks and stops only at major stations. Shinkansen trains are operated by Japan Railways or the JR Group companies and feature some of the fastest trains in the world, traveling up to 320 kilometers per hour. Riding the Shinkansen is a remarkable experience. With your Super Express ticket in hand, you arrive at the dedicated Shinkansen platforms, which has its own gates. The train glides into position at the station on the right time. The average delay is only 36 seconds. With the doors perfectly aligned along the platform markings that indicate the carriage numbers. If you are at a terminus such as Tokyo Station, after passengers disembark, a rapid action cleaning crew gets inside the train ready for the next run with military precision, completing the task in just a few minutes. When the embarking passengers are settled, the carriages are pressurized for high-speed railway travel, and the train effortlessly rolls out of the station a bit like a horizontal rocket. Before you know it, you are ordering refreshments in a comfortable seat as Mount Fuji zips by outside the window. Bullet train services in Japan began in 1964 when the Tokaido Shinkansen line was inaugurated, the service between Tokyo and Shin Osaka, just in the time for Tokyo Olympics. The original O-series trains had white livery and snub noses and could complete the run in 3 hours and 10 minutes, a huge improvement for 6 hours and 30 minutes with conventional trains. Today, the latest N700 trains used for the Nozomi Express service travels to 500 kilometers in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. That's even more impressive when considering that the railway carries a staggering of 420,000 passengers or more than on a typical weekday. It's the busiest high-speed line in the world. Japan's bullet train is a people mover like no other, ferrying millions of passengers between cities in a quick, convenient, and punctual train system. The seat classes in Shinkansen trains offers in 2 classes which are typically found in separate cars, the ordinary ones and the green cars, which are spacious and much more comfortable and much more food space. There are reserved and unreserved compartments. All seats in green cars are reserved. Bilingual signs are always indicated inside the Shinkansen cars and carries a non-reserved suite. Advanced reservations are also required to use a reserved seat car. Along with high-speed train networks, Japan is gearing itself towards the world's fastest developing and developed nation. It's one of the most iconic images of modern Japan, a needle-nose bullet train speeding past the majestic Mount Fuji, the tallest mountain in the country. The picture not only signifies a triumph of technology over nature, it symbolizes a reverence for engineering design and natural beauty that is one of the hallmark of Japanese culture. In effect, the bullet train itself represents Japan. Shinkansen train has world-class facilities. The signs and announcements inside the train are multilingual and English on all Shinkansen lines. Most Shinkansen trains are served by small food carts with a selection of snacks, drinks and boxed meat, which is periodically passes along the aisle. Some trains also have vending machines with drinks and payphones. Free Wi-Fi is gradually being introduced to Shinkansen trains across Japan, and it's expected that most of the Shinkansen trains will offer free onboard Wi-Fi by 2020. Wireless internet is currently already available in all newest train sets between Tokyo and Shin Osaka. All Shinkansen trains are equipped with multiple toilets, which are sometimes separated by gender. The toilets are Western style except on some older trains. Newer train sets are also equipped with spacious toilets for wheelchair users. Outside the toilets are wash corners with sinks and large mirrors. Smoking is not allowed on most of the Shinkansen trains. Prominent exception is Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen, on which some last smoking cars survive on older train sets. Shinkansen trains are equipped with relatively spacious and overhead shelves which can store small and medium-sized bags and suitcases. Additionally, there are usually spaces for 2 or 3 large suitcases behind the largest row of seats in each car. The Shinkansen train journey will leave you a remarkable and memorable experience in Japan with its accurate time and on-time arrival and departure. Shinkansen train stands a distinction from the rest of the world. The train journey gave me an enjoyable, memorable experience when the train cruises at 280-290 kilometers per hour. The journey is hassleless and it's comfortable, really and enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected for my future videos and travelogues. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.